Namaste. My name is JVN Rishi Gautam from Department of Journalism. Today's topic is difference between intrapersonal and interpersonal communication. What is the difference between intrapersonal and interpersonal communication? यानी कि अंतर्व्यक्तिक और अंतःव्यक्तिक संचार में क्या अंतर है? At the term intra means within. So the communication that takes place within a person is called intrapersonal communication. On the other hand, the term inter means between. So when the communication occurs between two or more persons, it is said to be इंटरपर्सनल कम्युनिकेशन. यानी कि इंट्रापर्सनल से आशय है खुद में किया गया संचार, खुद के द्वारा किया गया संचार. यानी कि इसमें दो व्यक्ति की जगह सिर्फ एक व्यक्ति होता है और वह अपने मन के अंदर जो भी विचार, जो भी सोच, जो भी थॉट्स, जो या फिर जो भी अगर कहें कि सोने के बाद जो अगर सपने देखता है या हम प्रे करते हैं या पूजा करते हैं, उस समय जो हमारे मन के अंदर जो कुछ भी चल रहा होता है, जो विचार आते हैं, जो थॉट्स आते हैं या जो हमारे अंदर की फीलिंग्स होती हैं, उन सारी चीज़ों को हम इंट्रापर्सनल कम्युनिकेशन यानी कि अंतःव्यक्तिक संचार कहते हैं. अब अगर हम बात करें इंटरपर्सनल संचार की, तो इंटरपर्सनल संचार में एक व्यक्ति नहीं होता बल्कि उसमें कम से कम दो व्यक्ति होते हैं. और दो व्यक्ति जब अपनी सूचनाओं को, अपनी इन्फॉर्मेशन को, अपनी भावनाओं को, अपनी फीलिंग्स को एक दूसरे से शेयर करते हैं, एक दूसरे से बांटते हैं, तो उसे हम कहते हैं इंटरपर्सनल यानी कि अंतर्व्यक्तिक संचार. दो व्यक्तियों के बीच जो संचार होता है उसे हम कहते हैं अंतर्व्यक्तिक संचार. We humans are social animals and we always need someone to talk or share our opinions, news and even feelings. Communication is a substantial part of our life. Whether we say something or not, it automatically conveys a message to the persons surrounding us because it is inescapable. It can be intrapersonal communication or interpersonal communication. The major difference between intrapersonal and interpersonal communication is that the former is invisible as it goes in our mind. The latter is visible as it takes place between several parties. The main differences between intrapersonal and interpersonal communication is intrapersonal communication is one that we have with ourselves, that is the communication that occur in our mind. Interpersonal communication is the communication between two or more persons through verbal or non-verbal communication. Continuous due to human nature. Next is regular due to social needs. Next, only a person's internal senses are involved. Next, supported by a verbal and non-verbal media. And next and last is thinking and analysis, exchanging and sharing of ideas or information. Definition of intrapersonal communication. The communication with oneself is intrapersonal communication. It involves thinking, analysis, interpreting, assessing, contemplating, feelings, etc. It is to reflect the individual self within a view of clarifying something. It is an activity that takes place in our mind wherein a person is involved in a conversation with himself, herself, commonly known as self-talk or inner speech. The activity can be a monologue or internal dialogue. That is, when you imagine a conversation in your mind with the absent other. So it is quite obvious that the sender and receiver are the same person. Internal discourse, solo vocal communication, and solo written communication are the three levels of intrapersonal communication. The three aspects that govern the intrapersonal communication are self-concept. Self-concept ascertains the way an individual takes himself, herself, oriented towards others. The three factors in self-concept are belief, value, attitude. Perception. It is what the mind receives and grasps from the outside world. Expectation. An individual's future-oriented projection that something might happen. Definition of interpersonal communication. Interpersonal communication is the one-to-one communication between two or more persons, wherein exchange of ideas, information or messages takes place through a channel. It can be a face-to-face communication between parties, communication over mail, telephone and the like. In interpersonal communication, the way something is said is as important as what is being said. So here the tone of voice, body language, gesture, facial expressions have a great impact on the recipient. The features of interpersonal communication are as under: inescapable. Whenever we try not to say anything to anyone at all, it says something about our mind, attitude or nature, that is, not by words but through the non-verbal signals. Irreversible or unrepeatable. Once something is being said, it cannot be taken back, so neither it is reversible or repeatable. Complex. Due to some variables involved in communication, it is a complex process. The words used in the process of communication may not have the same meaning for both sender and receiver, and this complicates by process. Contextual. Context plays a significant role in the communication process, as in there is psychological, environmental, situational and relational context. Key differences between intrapersonal and interpersonal communication. The difference between intrapersonal and interpersonal communication can be drawn clearly on the following grounds. The communication that we have with ourselves. Next is the intrapersonal communication is the communication with oneself, and so only one person is involved in it. Interpersonal communication occurs continuously because it is the human tendency to think. In intrapersonal communication, only an individual's internal senses are involved. In intrapersonal communication is based on the thinking and analysis, while interpersonal communication is concerned with the exchange of ideas, information, opinions, feelings, and so on. Thank you.